The asteroid that could make every man on Earth a billionaire. I don't know if this is a good news or bad news, but NASA has been tracking this asteroid for quite some time. This unusual asteroid was believed to carry heavy metals like golds, platinum, iron, and nickels, which were calculated to be worth 10,000 quadrillion US dollars. NASA was fully aware of the heavy metals of the asteroid 16 Psyche, but it is also aware of the possible damage if this much value is taken to the Earth. It could deplete the gold market and destabilize the global economy in the amount of 75.5 trillion into a total collapse. A veteran miner, 𝗙𝗪𝗪, head of the 𝗪𝗔𝗬𝗪𝗢 mining, said that the massive amount found in the asteroid can destroy the mining industry, so much that it can literally destroy the gold trade. In an interview with the oil price, he said that the titans of gold now controls hundreds of the best producing properties around the world, but the 4 to 5 million ounce of gold they bring to the market every year pales in comparison to the conquest available in space. In August of 2022, NASA will hold a mission in space to study 16 Psyche. It is expected to launch from Kennedy Space Center, Florida, and is expected to arrive at 16 Psyche in 2026. This is the first time a space mission will explore a world made of metals and not of rock and ice. The mission is solely for scientific purposes and doesn't intend to mine the asteroid. Tracing its history, 16 Psyche is one of the debris left during the collision of two planets that normally happens during the formation of the solar system. It appears to be the exposed nickel-iron core of an early planet, one of the building blocks of our solar system. It is expected that this mission could yield valuable information on how the core of the Earth and other terrestrial planets are formed, and offers humanity a window into the violent history of collisions and accretions that brings forth terrestrial planets. But with a huge treasure involved, some giant space mining corporations are now preparing for a possible gold rush. Mining firms are now predicting that space mining will happen within 25 or 50 years and could potentially result into a more serious space competition, considering that the asteroid ownership has already been made legal in 2015. The United States is not alone in this quest. There are other world powers who would like to get their hands on the asteroid, like China. Unlike NASA, which centers largely in the scientific mission like gathering data and increasing man's understanding about the universe, China has vowed to dominate the space race and focus mainly on a space-based economy and aim to take advantage of the commercial aspects of the space exploration, which includes stripping the asteroids of its precious resources. With that, we can tell that the space race has begun. On the other hand, scientists at the University of Arizona announced on June 9, 2021 that the asteroid 16 Psyche might not be as we expected it to be. The lead author, 𝗙𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪 said that the drop in the metallic content shows that 16 Psyche is more modified than previously thought. Psyche has less metallic content and is more porous than the previous studies. This means that the asteroid was probably exposed to collision with asteroids containing the more common carbonaceous chondrites, which deposited a surface layer that we are observing. And rather than being an intact exposed core of an early planet, it might actually be closer to a rubble pile. With this new finding, we really do not know what 16 Psyche can offer to humanity. It could be a 10,000 quadrillion dollars worth of heavy metals according to previous study, or just a rubble pile. It could make this world rich or collapse. It's all about possibilities, but for now, let's wait and see the outcome of the Psyche mission. If you enjoy watching videos like this, you might as well want to click the next video. And please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.